Hey guys, today I'm making these delicious banana chocolate chip muffins, and I thought I'd share with you how to make them for your family and friends as well because they are delicious. Okay, let's get right to it. It's super easy and you only need just a few ingredients. And of course, as always, if you're not yet subscribed yet, I am Carolyn. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I share all about mom life and family travel tips here on my channel. I hope that you enjoy all of the content I have for you this holiday season, including this delicious recipe.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Now here's a secret that you might not know. If you ever see those beautiful muffins or cupcakes at the store that have chocolate chips or blueberries coming out the top, you want to add a couple of extras just to the top of each of these, and it will make it look just like that. Believe me, they will pop out of the top and look incredible. Then press each one in gently with a spatula so it stays.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and
Yeah, I wasn't kidding. These look good.
better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
And as you can see, I just popped it right out. and no problems coming out at all. That's why you definitely want to make sure to use a little bit of spray on the pan. Looks really good. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And like I said, I like to keep it simple. So if you like to cook simple holiday treats, this is the thing for you. I've got a couple other holiday treat videos that you can check out on my channel, and I'll link them below as well. Otherwise, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I share all about twin mom life and family travel. I have 2 toddlers who keep me very busy, but I still find time to eat good things and make time for myself. So I hope that you do the same this holiday season. And don't forget to like this video, comment below what your favorite holiday treat is, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.